Internet, and welcome to week 3 of the vlog. Today's topic is quantum mechanics, which I will explain using these gloves. Glove, 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 glove. Now the gloves are a metaphor for 44. 42! That's the answer! Lesson over! Sorry. Too much word association can be a dangerous thing. So the gloves. The gloves are a metaphor for electrons. Electrons have a property known as spin. When you measure any given electron for this property, there's a 50% chance that the spin will be up, and a 50% chance that the spin will be down. It's impossible to predict before measuring whether the spin will be up or down. Now let me take a moment to emphasize here. It's not hard to accurately predict whether the spin will be up or down. It's impossible. Now if I took this Canadian nickel and flipped it, it would be hard to accurately predict whether it would land on heads or beavers before the coin hit the ground. But science could potentially build me a computer that accurately measures the force with which I flipped the coin, the velocity it's going, the axis of the spin, the gravitational pull on the coin, and predict accurately whether my coin would land heads or beavers. Not so with electrons. That's because, when unobserved, electrons exist in what's called a superposition of states, where the spin is both up and down, but really it's not one or the other. Don't worry. This is why I brought the gloves. 2 identical gloves, perfectly the same. Now, when I take this glove and put it on my right hand, it becomes a right glove. But if I take the glove off again, I could just as easily put it on my left hand next, and now it's a left glove. So when the glove is off my hand, it is a right glove, and it's a left glove. But I mean, really, it's not either. Got it? Measuring, or sticking your hand into, an electron, or glove, forces it into one state of spin, or orientation, I guess? No, political stance. Right-wing glove, left-wing glove. Wings. And here's another crazy quantum thing about electrons, is a sentence that sums up the sort of social life I have. If 2 electrons become entangled, let's say electron A and electron B, then you can send them whizzing off in opposite directions for as long as you want. They can be miles, light years apart. But if you measure electron A's spin and you find it to be, let's say, up, then you know beyond a shadow of a doubt that electron B's spin is down. Once you measure the spin of one electron, you automatically know that the other has an opposite spin. It's just like, wait for it, dairy! No, God, sorry, I meant gloves. We're back to the gloves again. When 2 electrons get entangled, they become a pair. Like if I get these 2 identical gloves together, they become a pair. When both of these are off my hands, they're in the glove version of a superposition of states. But once this glove is right, the other one must be left. Doesn't matter whether I put it on my hand or not. Doesn't matter where it is or what it's doing. It's a left glove. You only need to measure one of the pair to know the spin of both. And that is just a tiny piece of quantum mechanics. If you enjoyed watching this, please remember to like and subscribe. And if you have questions or suggestions, go ahead and leave them in the comments below. And to end this video, a rainbow thing will be menacing until Wonder Woman Cup saves the day. Toodaloo! Ha ha!